Hi guys, I'm Tanya and welcome back to my channel, The Donkey Business. I have finally watched Premalu today in the morning and I'm gonna give an honest opinion about what I thought of the film. So honestly, when I woke up today, I was like, I don't feel like watching a movie, I'm so not in the zone to do it, but I honestly forced myself to watch Premalu because I had heard so much about it. And I am so glad that I took that decision because this movie was just like feeling. That's the correct word. It was so cute, and I am sure that most of you have watched the movie before. So, spoilers are in the film because I'm going to be talking about a lot of things in detail. And if you have not watched the movie yet, then watch it on Disney Plus Hotstar and then come back to this video. So, the movie is basically about this boy and a girl who are in kind of in a love triangle, and they're in their early 20s going through so many things in life and don't understand their feelings, and it is mostly about that. And when I was watching the movie, I felt so nostalgic because I felt like I was back in college. I felt like, oh, this has happened with me and that has happened with my brother. Being a girl, I was relating to the girl character, and with the boy, I was relating to a lot of things that my brother went through when he fell in love for the first time, and it was honestly very cute to see such things. And I also like the fact that the film had a lot of funny moments which were not like outright funny, but you would still chuckle, and then it also had like a lot of emotions together. And you know, the thing that happened with me was when I started watching the movie, I was like, okay, the first half is going to be easy peasy, and you know, they're going to like talk about the characters and you know, like just show relations, and then the second half is going to be super intense. But the movie was honestly not like that. The thing I loved about it was that it had this same kind of energy throughout the film. Like when the movie got over, I didn't even understand, and you know, I was waiting for drama, I was waiting for something to happen, but nothing happened, but still so much happened, and it was just like you're listening to a very nice song. It felt like that. I love the chemistry between all the actors, and I think all of them have performed very well. Talking about the guy who played the role of Adi, who was the manager of their team, Shyam Mohan, he was such a walking red flag in the movie. Oh my god, it was hilarious, and every time he would come on screen, I would just be like, go away, and his just kidding thing was so annoying. I was like, thank god no one like him is my friend in real life, or else I would really not be able to stand that person. But well acted, and that character was honestly very well written. My favorite character was Sangeet Pratap. I think he had great chemistry with the other actors. His comic timing was amazing. His jokes were so lame, but his expressions was really cute, and it was nice to watch him. He kind of got like, he was like the life of the film, and I really liked watching him. He was like that friend you really want in life, and it was nice. Naslin Kapoor, who is playing the main guy who falls in love with the girl, has done a very good job. He was kind of outshined by Sangeet in a few scenes, but sure, I guess I liked to watch him as well. And the main protagonist of the film, the girl who everyone is in love with, Mamita, I think she was nice. She was cute to look at. She acted well. She was innocent. She played her part very well. And I love the fact that the movie was very simple, you know, like, however, if I hope it does not happen, but if the Hindi film industry copies the movie, I'm sure there's gonna be lots of drama, lots of like extra costume, extra dialogues, extra emotion, extra songs, extra of everything. In contrast, the film was honestly very simple. It felt like I was watching my own life in recap, and you know, I also felt happy about the fact that he was friend zoned so easily and he didn't realize it, and then she like spoke to him honestly and she didn't keep him hanging. And the end, of course, was a bit dramatic with the whole accident thing and Adi wanting to kill them and all of that. But I think it kind of fit together because there was not much drama in the movie, so that one extra scene was okay, it was not bad. And then in the end, she confessed that she loves him and all, and it was cute. And I love the fact that he didn't like go his plan of going to the UK, and in fact instead stayed with her. That would be something I would not be happy about, but I am glad that he took up to go to the UK instead of being with her, and it was just like a very nice ride in general. Talking about the direction, I think the direction is pretty simple. I love that it didn't have too many songs, and it was a 2.5 hour movie. The runtime felt a bit long, but honestly because I was so attached to the characters and what's happening and how they're like trying to be each other's friends and impress each other was cute, and the jokes were like always there in the movie, so it kind of kept you going. And by the end of it I thought it was gonna have like a very tragic ending and everything, but it did not have, which was nice and simple. One thing that I liked about the movie was that it was very mature, though it is based on like college kids who've just passed out and probably doing their first job. It was very mature in terms of like now when I'm in my late 20s, I kind of understand what I went through as a kid, and you know, like at that time you don't take things so seriously. Like he took another train to give her medicine and then came back, and you know, you take life so simply, but then at that moment you don't realize the lessons that life is also teaching you. Like you fall in love, like the first time you see someone, you fall in love, you go and ask out that person. In turn, you realize that this is the person who's probably taught you the most important lesson of your life in a very early age, which you will understand later. I think that was the gist of the movie, which he tried to show in a very fun, young way, and it was a very good way of portraying this emotion of being friend zoned, falling in love, struggling in life, trying to earn money. Heartbreak, money issues are the two main things that I think a human being goes through in their life very repeatedly, and I think he showed it in a very nice way. The movie had a lot of hype, and honestly it is worth the hype because I felt a lot of emotions while watching it, and I have watched a feel good romantic Indian movie after a very long time. This movie also kind of reminded me of Bangalore Days, and I think it kind of is in that zone where after a few years or months actually I might want to revisit this film and watch it again, because it's so like heartfelt and very honest movie, and this is what I liked about it. I highly recommend it. It is worth the hype and it is fun to watch it. So if you haven't watched it yet, it's available on Disney. I wish I watched it in the theater, but I honestly did not get the chance to do that. But never late. Let me know what you think about the movie in the comments below, and I will see you very soon.